Alrighty y'all, what's going on today? So today I'm going to be talking to you guys about this Gaiam foam roller. This one is about 36 inches, 3 feet long. Obviously it is dark gray, so not the most exciting looking thing in the world, but if it's something that you need to get a job done, then it definitely does it. It does come in different sizes as well. I think it comes in like a smaller 18-inch too. Anyway, the reason I got this thing was actually I hurt my leg hiking a few years ago pretty bad, and I basically blew out my knee. Was kind of off of it for a month. Had to go to physical therapy, and this is one thing that they had actually recommended me getting, just to kind of like stretch out my whole leg, keep it nice and loose, and yeah, just kind of help me recover faster when I wasn't actually in physical therapy. So if you've ever been in physical therapy, there's no doubt you've probably seen or heard about one of these, or maybe even recommended one of these. But even beyond that, beyond using it as a thing for something for injury, it's just a great thing to use kind of just daily. And I want to talk about why I like it so much, and why even like this, what looks like such a simple tool can actually make such a big difference. So it is made of, as you can see, a very high density foam, very, very high density. It does not really budge at all. You can obviously really press it in there to kind of get it to crease up, but other than that, it's very, very high density, very tough, very firm, which makes it perfect for the job, though not so hard that it feels uncomfortable, I guess you could say. So it's not like you're on a log, but it's so high density that it's just dumb hard. It is enough though, so it's not going to collapse when you put your body weight on it. I'm about 160 pounds. This thing works great for me. I can't speak for anyone that's much heavier, but yeah, that if you're around there, it should be pretty solid for you. Essentially, this thing, perfect for giving your leg a good muscle massage. This is what I kind of use it for a lot. Essentially, you just would place your leg on it and basically roll your leg along it. It's a great way to relieve stress on the muscles in your legs. So even if you're someone who has maybe just a lot of built up acid in your legs, in the muscle in your legs, then you can kind of give yourself a nice deep tissue massage with this thing. Helps to increase your circulation as well. So again, if you're someone who maybe suffers from bad circulation, which a lot of people do suffer from bad circulation in their legs, a lot of people who have really cold feet, so you can use this to kind of help increase that. I actually use this along my entire body. Well, and I'm a singer as well, and so basically I like to be able to kind of stretch and expand my body right when I wake up in the morning, kind of just getting the blood flowing again and kind of breaking up all the muscles that might be in knots or very stiff. And so you can really hit every major muscle in your body just by using this to roll on it. When I got this thing, it did come with a little DVD as well. I've never used it, but essentially it gives you all kinds of like exercises and things that you can use to really, I guess, make the most out of this thing. I've always just kind of looked online and found basically the same thing. So, but I guess it's kind of cool if that's something you're into. I use it now when my back is feeling a little bit tight, when I'm feeling a little bit stressed out. It's great for relaxing. One thing I wish that I would have done is gotten a smaller one, the 18-inch one, because this one's a little it's just a little hard to carry around. It's a little harder to transport. Not that it's heavy, it's very, very lightweight, very lightweight. So you can just easily pick it up with one hand and it's no problem. The only thing is it is big, very long, so if you're someone who wants to maybe travel with it, I'd love to go. I've been like little music festivals and things where they have like yoga retreats, and that's something I wish maybe I could have brought, but well. But yeah, if you're just got physical therapy or whatever, if maybe you were trying to recover from a certain muscle injury, or even if you just want to maybe get something to help you stretch out and release in the morning, I would highly recommend this. Again, it's the Gaiam foam roller. As you can see right here, Gaiam, green on the side. And yeah, check it out, you guys. Alrighty, take it easy.